Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies in Cooker updated. Preheat your cooker on low indirect heat, position a trivet, and line a tray with foil or parchment. Measure ingredients carefully and set them in bowls for efficient workflow. Cream butter and sugar until light, then add egg and vanilla. Mix dry ingredients separately, fold them into wet mix, and chill dough briefly for cleaner scoops and better shape. Start by creaming butter and sugar until the mixture is pale and airy. Add the egg and vanilla, then fold in the dry mix in 2 additions to avoid overworking the dough. If you want chewier cookies, slightly underbake and let them finish on the tray off heat. Scoop uniform portions, chill for stability, and arrange them with space between to allow gentle air circulation inside the cooker. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for keeping you hydrated while you bake, and it saves you trips to the sink when juggling trays, timers, and dough. It seals tight, fits cup holders, and is easy to carry to the cooker area. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the tray on the trivet inside the preheated cooker and close the lid for steady, indirect heat. Keep the heat low and check after the first batch time to understand your cooker's behavior. Rotate the tray halfway through to promote even browning, and avoid opening the cooker too often to retain steady temperature. Allow cookies to rest on the tray a few minutes after removing to finish cooking gently and to set their shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.